Class, I will be talking to you about verb conjugations with you and greetings from mi casa. We are going to learn how to conjugate our ER, our IR, and our AR verbs. Remember that in Spanish, there are 3 types of verbs. Each type of verb has specific endings attached to each end of the verb. You will use the same steps as you did when conjugating AR verbs, but you will be attaching new verbs, new endings on the base words depending on the type of verb it is. Let's review real quick. How do you tell what type of verb it is? The end of the verb will let you know what kind of verb it is. For example, hablar. Hablar ends in AR, which tells you it is an AR verb. It is an AR verb, so you can only attach the AR endings. Liar ends in ER verb, so it tells you that you can only attach the ER endings in the ER verb. Escribir ends in IR, which tells you you can only that it is an IR verb, and it can only attach the ending to the IR verb. Do you remember the steps in conjugating AR verbs? Let's review real quick, because these steps will help you to know how to conjugate ER and IR verbs. Step 1. Create your verb house. Step 2. Include your subject pronouns in each room of the house. Step 3. Chop off the AR, ER, and or IR ending of the original verb. Step 4. Write the base word in each room of the verb house. Step 5. Attach your new endings to each base of the word. Now, let's get to the new stuff. What are the verb ER endings? If the verb ends in ER, you attach the following endings to the base word depending on the ending subject. O minus E, emos minus en. What are the IR endings? If the verb ending in IR, you can attach the following IR base word to ending depending on the subject pronoun. O, es, e, amos, n. Notice how the ER and the IR endings are almost exactly the same except for the endings in the social form. Let's practice our ER and IR verbs together. Let's conjugate coma to eat. Comer is an verb because it ends in an which means it can only be attached with ER endings to this verb. Step 1. Make your verb house. Step 2. Place your subject pronouns in each room. Step 3. Chop off the ER verb endings from the corner. Step 4. Place back the word in each room. Step 5. Attach the new IR endings to each word in the base. Now, let's conjugate. Vivar. To live, vivar is an IR word. This means we can only attach the IR ending to this verb. Step 1. Make your verb house. Step 2. Place your subject pronouns in each room. Step 3. Chop off the IR verb ending. Step 4. Place the base word in each room. And step 5. Attach the new IR ending to each base word. Great! Now, it's your turn. Conjugate the following verbs. Baba, escriba. Don't forget to check what type of verb it is before adding the new endings. Remember to not mix up the endings. Now, let's check your answers. How did you do? Make sure to check if you attached ER to the bebo verb and you attach the IR endings to the scribo verb. Thank you, class, today for this amazing conjugation verb lesson today. You've been a blast. Thank you. Goodbye.